Get ready to roll into a fantastic journey as we draw and color a wonderful bicycle today. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's hop on and start pedaling our way through creativity. First, grab your pencil and create a rough sketch of our cool bicycle.
Wow!
Begin with the front wheel, shaping it just right. Followed by the mudguard and the sleek handle. Next up, draw the back wheel, add the chain cover, and don't forget the pedals. Continue by sketching the frame of our amazing bicycle. Craft the seat and a sturdy back carrier too. Let's add a charming front basket to our bicycle. It's the perfect spot for all our artistic inspiration. Make sure the outline is crisp and bold for that final touch.
Cool!
Bring out your vibrant color pens. It's coloring time. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. color. Green color. Let your imagination ride high with these beautiful colors. Great job, young artists! You've created a magnificent bicycle with your incredible creativity. Keep exploring, keep drawing, and keep pedaling through your imagination. Until next time, happy drawing and happy cycling! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.